Hey there, future car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, where we dive into the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's been turning heads and raising pulses, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Montreal. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a piece of art on wheels, and a testament to Alfa Romeo's rich heritage and forward-thinking design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Montreal is a stunning blend of classic Alfa Romeo design cues and modern, aerodynamic lines. The iconic triangular grille is more pronounced than ever, flanked by sleek, LED headlights that give the car a menacing, yet sophisticated look. The body is sculpted to perfection, with sharp creases and flowing curves that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve aerodynamics, allowing the car to cut through the air with minimal resistance. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Montreal is powered by a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers a staggering 540 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. This powerhouse propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 196 miles per hour. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering the open road, the Montreal offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's as luxurious as it is functional. The interior is crafted with premium materials, including leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum, giving it a high-end feel. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen, both of which are intuitive and easy to use. The infotainment system is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features aluminum paddle shifters, giving you precise control over the 8-speed automatic transmission. The gear shift is ergonomically designed, allowing for seamless transitions between gears. And with multiple driving modes to choose from, including Sport, Race, and Track, you can tailor the car's performance to suit your driving style and the road conditions. Safety is also a top priority for the 2025 Montreal. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide a safer, more confident driving experience. Additionally, the car's rigid body structure and multiple airbags offer enhanced protection in the event of a collision. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Montreal is positioned as a luxury sports car, and with that comes a premium price tag. Starting at around $150,000, it's certainly not for everyone. However, for those who can afford it, the Montreal offers a level of performance, luxury, and exclusivity that's hard to match. In conclusion, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Montreal is a masterpiece of automotive design and engineering. It combines breathtaking looks, blistering performance, and cutting-edge technology in a package that's as thrilling as it is beautiful. Whether you're a die-hard Alfa Romeo fan or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Montreal is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Alfa Romeo Montreal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest and greatest in future cars. Until next time, keep dreaming about the future of driving.